everybody. So this is for real. This is going to be an unboxing with the surprise. We got the second box from Aquarium Co-op. So we're going to see what Henry's dad got him for surprise and what is my surprise. So hang on. All right, go. We got Henry here. He's opening the box. Using proper technique with the box knife, cutting away from himself. Wouldn't it be funny, Henry, if there was a bunch of sponge filters in this one too? Maybe air stones.
Oh boy.
The excitement. Oh, we couldn't have scripted that if we wanted to more. When they keep coming, more sponge filters. How exciting. Oh, and some kind of guess air stones. Let's see, what do we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh,
Air
yes.
stones.
Yeah, so these little air stones that we've gotten from Aquarium Co-op have been some of our favorite lately. They're really quiet and good quality and not super expensive, so that's my plug if you're looking for an air stone. Sometimes paying a little bit better or just buying quality is going to make things quieter and run better, so not a place to really scrimp on. And we've got air stones to go along with our sponge filters. We had gotten the tubing in the last shipment.
1 moment.
Okay, some packing. Oh no, those aren't packing materials. Those are my favorite little algae scrubbers. Kind of like the little.
The 125.
They're kind of like a generic Mr. Clean thing, so you know, perfectly safe for fish. It'll work fantastic. Okay, what's that? Oh, yep, sponge filter bag. So we've got some of our own kind of little in-tank filters, and this is a nice replacement, so you can do your own kind of media in there. So I got plenty of those. Wonder if that was my surprise.
I see what you got.
Oh, you see what I got, huh? Okay, so probably not this. Oh, yep, so major plans for making another fish rack. We've got to have the little spigots that come off of one main.
You got a neon diffuser.
Oh, a diffuser. Ooh, a Neo diffuser. Ooh, those are really cool looking.
Oh man.
Oh, more sponge filters. Okay, what's it? Oh boy. Oh boy. Can you believe this? This is a Hank Murphy. I don't know which one for sure, but the Mugu Puffer. So it's actually thin. Wow.
Okay, I think this is your real present. But...
That's super cool. Oh, wow. And a lot of merch here. Aquarium Co-op hat. Not the thing. And a small medium, so this probably fits me. At least I hope that's mine and not my husband. And then those are yours, Henry. Do you want to open it up and show the picture? So these are some shirts that we got Henry. Mom and Dad kind of already have the same shirts, so we thought we might match and support a good company from Washington, which is always the best. So there's one there with Murphy. And then you want to show the other one? Here's Indy. He came along. He has a barrette and Indy do. And he's like, I've been playing hard, so my barrette's kind of all messed up. Ooh la la. It's like a fancy
red
goldfish type of thing. But yeah, that's like one of my favorite shirts that they have. Okay, there, hold stuff. All right. That's pretty exciting. Anything else in the box, or are we done? Oh, there's something else?
Nope.
Okay, we're good. Awesome. So not a bad haul at all. Awesome. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. All right, let's go try on those shirts. All right, here we are in our shirts. Woo, looking pretty good. All right, have a good day, everybody. Bye.
Her shirt, little big on me.
All right, it's I've forgotten it'll shrink a little bit, and I'll tell you what. I'll tell you a secret. You're gonna grow pretty soon.